Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hyer app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hyer is a task-based gig platform designed to connect individuals with flexible, short-term jobs in retail, hospitality, and other industries. The app allows users to browse local tasks, apply instantly, and get paid quickly upon task completion. It's ideal for those looking to earn side income or manage their own work schedule with freedom and flexibility. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is clean and easy to navigate, with filters to find gigs based on distance, time, and pay. Users appreciate the simplicity of signing up, completing tasks, and receiving payments, often within 24 hours. Job descriptions are generally clear, and in-app reminders help users stay on top of scheduled tasks. However, there are a few concerns. Task availability can be limited in less populated areas, and competition for higher-paying gigs can be tough. Some users also report delays in payments or lack of response from support when issues arise. Additionally, background checks are required before accessing most gigs, which can take time. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Hyer is a good option if you're looking for a flexible way to earn income through quick and simple tasks. With a user-friendly platform and a range of gigs, it's especially useful for those who want control over their schedule. Just be aware of job availability depending on your location and be patient with onboarding. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.